Ayan, 10 minutes more na. 10 minutes sleep, guys. Mag-e-end na rin ako. So that we can support others also. Ayan. Thank you everyone. Oh, you read. Hello, hello. Hello, my friend. Thank you for coming. Bakit ano to? Yaban nyo. I will see. I will see. Oh, 25 minutes. Okay. Later after I will watch. After my live, I will watch, okay? Single. Crush and Isarius. Oh, bakit? Nag-boxing sila? Wrestling? Oh. Later, I will, oh my gosh, ano ba yan? Oliva. Good morning. Oh, good evening here. Ayan, good morning para sa Amerika. Nani, nani, nananan. Nananan. Baka after this, maybe after this, I will make a screencast, guys, because the watch hour that Lolo gave to me, very small. So, I let my live again. I will make take two. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, guys. Ayan, 5 minutes more, guys. 5 minutes, I will, Green winner, thank you, Dix. Thank you, Dix. Green winner, thank you. Ayan, your raids. White loser, thank you. Gina, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Si Lara, thank you. Kapitbayo is yung kunti Anita. Thank you, guys. Nita, and who else? Diyos ko. Rams, thank you, Rams. One Son, thank you. Ivan Tracker. Yan ako. Amigo Max, alam po nandyan ka pa rin. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Dix. Uy, malapit na ako mag-e-end ba? Ayan. Tinawag ako ng amo ko. Tinawag niya ako. So, ito lang. Ay! Basa mo ako. Ayan, malapit ako mag-e-end, guys, ha? Malapit ako mag-e-end. Ayos kong buko. Salamat, Dix. Oo. Sige lang, sige lang. Thank you. Bao, nakatouching naman. Touching naman si Dix. Uy. Ingat rin po dyan.